Good morning, friends. Welcome you all in this interactive session. Today, we'll see the concept of normal form, which is very important part of discrete mathematical structure. So, firstly, we'll see why it is required. So, already we have learned to get the idea whether the given statement formula is tautology, contradiction, or satisfiable. Always we are finding the truth table. But every time finding the truth table is not a practical solution. To overcome that, we are converting our given statement formula into some standard formula that is known as normal form. Okay. So as per normal form is concerned, basically two types are there. First one DNF, second one CNF. DNF means what? Disjunction normal form, and CNF is nothing but conjunction normal form. Okay. But before going to learn DNF and CNF, we require two terms, nothing but elementary product and elementary sum. Okay. Once you get the concept of elementary product and elementary sum, it is very easy to get idea about DNF and CNF. First, we'll see DNF and CNF thoroughly, and afterwards we'll see how to obtain DNF form and how to obtain CNF form. Okay. So once we'll modify DNF form and once we'll modify CNF form, definitely we'll get advanced version of DNF, nothing but PDNF form, that is principal disjunction normal form, and advanced version of CNF, nothing but principal conjunction normal form. Okay. So as we have seen, to learn the DNF and CNF, we required elementary product and elementary sum. And as we know, the PDNF is an advanced form of DNF and PCNF is an advanced form of CNF. So to again learn PDNF and PCNF, we require two terms, that is min term and max term. Hope all of you are getting clear. So as per normal form is concerned, we have to understand firstly DNF and CNF. But we should know elementary product and elementary sum because of while defining DNF and CNF, we require elementary product and elementary sum. So after making some modification in DNF, we'll get advanced version of DNF, nothing but PDNF, that is principal disjunction normal form. And similarly, if we make modification in CNF form, we'll get advanced version of CNF, that is what PCNF form, that is principal conjunction normal form. Okay, so here we have to keep in mind, to learn the DNF and CNF, we required elementary product. And to learn the concept of PDNF and PCNF, we required min term and max term. Now, it will be convenient to use the word while we are looking towards the normal form. Here we are making some modifications. So here, product in place of conjunction and sum in place of disjunction. Okay. So hereafter, with respect to conjunction, we are using the word as a product, and with respect to disjunction, we are using word as a sum. Now, firstly, we'll see what is elementary product. Okay. Now, elementary product, elementary sum, min term, and max term, that depends on atomic propositions present in your given statement formula. Okay. Now, firstly, we'll see what is elementary product. With respect to atomic variable, or we can say atomic propositions present in the given formula, in the elementary product consist. So here, first thing we have to think in that, keep in mind is what? To find elementary product, we require the reference of atomic variable present in the given formula. So here basic rules are there. Now first rule, all individual atomic variables separately comes under elementary product. If all individual atomic variables separately be the part of elementary product, then definitely its separate, or we can say individual negation, is also be the part of elementary product. Okay. And third rule, very, very important. Now see, in first and second, we have just taken all atomic variable separately and all its individual negation separately. Now by combining or by making the group of two atomic propositions, in between that we are using conjunction. So here third rule is what? Conjunction of all atomic variable and their negation. Okay. Now with the help of example, we'll see how we can get the elementary product. Now see, P and Q, conditional negation Q, be the given statement formula. Now first of all, possible elementary products we are going to find here, but already I told you whatever atomic propositions are present in the given statement formula, that we have to count first. So how many atomic variables are present here? So only two, P and Q. Okay, so here we'll get elementary products with respect to P and Q only. Now see, apply the rules. All individuals atomic variable. So which atomic variables are present here? P and Q. Now see, P and Q, P comma Q, these are separate. So these two separate atomic variables be the part of elementary product. Second rule is what? If single statement or single atomic variable standing alone, then their single negation. So negation P comma negation Q be the part of your elementary product. Okay. Next, after that PQ, negation P, comma negation Q, these all are comes under elementary product. Then here afterwards we are making the group of two atomic propositions. So here we are having, we may have P, P, PQ, P negation P, P negation Q. Okay. While making the group of two propositions, in between these two atomic propositions, we are using conjunction, because already we have learned with respect to conjunction, we are replacing word as a product. Have you understood clearly? So here we are using the conjunction sign in between group of two atomic proposition. Now see here, P and P, P conjunction Q, P conjunction negation P, P conjunction negation Q, Q conjunction Q, Q conjunction negation P, Q conjunction negation Q, negation P conjunction negation P, negation P conjunction negation Q, negation Q conjunction negation Q. Have you understood clearly? So these are the possible elementary products with respect to P and Q. If suppose we'll have P, Q, and R, then definitely P, comma Q, comma R separately, negation P, comma negation Q, comma negation R separately, and instead of here we are making group of three atomic propositions P, Q, and R, and in between these atomic propositions we are using conjunctions. So these all are atomic. These all are elementary products with respect to P and Q. Similarly, we'll see elementary sum. All the rules with as like is same like as a elementary product. Okay. First rule, all individual atomic variables separately be the part of elementary sum. Negation of all individual atomic variables also be the part of elementary sum. And finally, here we have seen with respect to disjunction, we are replacing word as a sum, and with respect to conjunction, we are replacing word as a product. So sum come here. So definitely we are taking disjunction instead of conjunction of all atomic variable and their negation. Now see, same example, P and Q, conditional negation Q be the given statement formula. Now with respect to P and Q, we get possible elementary sums are, but that terms, that particular thing will get by applying rule number 1, rule number 2, and rule number 3. So just apply the first rule, all individual atomic variable. So as per the first rule, we'll get P separately, comma, Q separately. Also be the part of elementary sum. If single atomic proportions are standing alone, be the part of elementary sum, then definitely its individual negation also be the part of elementary sum. So definitely negation P, comma, negation Q separately. Now afterwards, we are making the group of two atomic propositions. And in between these two atomic propositions, we are using which connective? Disjunction. So see, these all are possible elementary sums. Hope all of it in clear. Okay. Now next. Now once you get the elementary product and elementary sum, then we'll move towards the defined DNF and CNF form. So here D and F, it means disjunction normal form. Now see the simple definition here. To define DNF, we are taking the reference of elementary product. Okay. Now see, it is the standard formula in which consists disjunction of what? Elementary product. So it means to obtain DNF form, we must have to get firstly elementary product. And once we get elementary product, then we are taking disjunction of all elementary product, and that whole standard formula is known as DNF form. Now see, with respect to P and Q, can I say P, comma, Q and Q, comma, P, conjunction negation Q, comma, negation P, conjunction Q? All these are elementary product with respect to P and Q. So yes, all these are elementary products. Okay. Now once we get elementary products, if we take disjunction of all elementary products, so whatever elementary products are with us, and in between them, if we are using disjunction, so definitely see here, in between all elementary products, we have used disjunction sign, and this whole statement formula is known as disjunction normal form. Getting clearly? DNF is disjunction of elementary product. Shortly, we can keep in your mind. DNF is disjunction of elementary product. Also, now we have seen with respect to disjunction, we have replaced pivot as a sum. So with respect to disjunction, I'm using sum of elementary product as it is. So DNF is also known as sum of elementary product. Getting clearly? So as like DNF, we'll see the next part, CNF. CNF means conjunction normal form. What we have seen in DNF? DNF is disjunction of elementary product. So exactly reverse. Here C indicates conjunction. We are taking conjunction of elementary sum. Okay. Now see, P comma Q disjunction Q comma P disjunction negation Q comma negation P disjunction Q. Can we say these all are elementary sum with respect to P and Q? Yes. And once we get elementary sum, and after getting elementary sum, if we take conjunction of all elementary sum, then we'll get some standard form, and that standard form nothing but CNF. Okay. So CNF is conjunction of elementary sum. Also, we have seen with respect to conjunction, we have replaced the word as a product. So CNF is also known as product of elementary sum. Okay. Now see, just tell me which form is this? Yes, it is DNF. Which form is this? Yes, it is CNF. What about this? It's DNF. Because see, disjunction of elementary product, that is nothing but DNF form, and conjunction of elementary sum, that is nothing but CNF form. So P separately, Q separately, negation R separately. So all these are elementary, yes, product. For elementary sum, elementary product. So disjunction of elementary product, nothing but simply DNF form. And lastly, here conjunction of elementary sum, nothing but CNF form. Hope all of you are getting clear. So this is all basic fundamentals of DNF and CNF. Here, one thing you have to keep in mind: to learn the DNF and CNF, we must know the meaning of elementary product and elementary sum. With the help of elementary product, we can define the DNF form, and with the help of elementary sum, we can define CNF form. Okay, this is all about DNF and CNF. Okay, in next class, we'll see the advanced form of DNF and advanced form of CNF, that is PDNF and PCNF. Okay.